Kangle him. Welcome back, everybody. With me now is founder and owner of Quzil. Got it right?
Yes, you did.
Quzil Creations. Christy Lee Walsh was here to show and tell us more about her thoughtfully designed handmade candle arrangements that are perfect for gifting or for decorating. Christy Lee, good morning. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
This is your baby.
Yes, it is.
You are a Christian-based candle making company. Tell me how you started. It was 2022.
True, there was. It's really kind of after COVID, and you wanted something different, wanted to put my talent somewhere else. I really started with concrete candles, but the unique...
Concrete?
Yeah, make the jars out of concrete. Yeah, but the uniqueness wasn't there for me, so I wanted to do something different. So I said, how about using a mold, you know, and make it look like a flower? So I did my research, and it actually does work. I said, okay, I tried it, and here we are.
Voila.
Yeah.
What was your interest or your experience? Can you move a little bit to your left for me?
Sure.
In it before? How did you learn how to do it? Did you always have an interest, or did you always have a gift to do it?
I think the gift was hidden. So yeah, I saw a video of somebody making a candle. I was like, wow, this is interesting. So I did my own research, bought the products, started my testing. That is very hard. It's science, basically.
Yes, miss?
Yes, it took me a while to get to here. I've done testing, things spoil, things throw away, wrong wick, wrong blend, wrong heat, everything. And I just kept trying. I took a break and I said, okay, let's just focus and see how best we can, you know. Did another testing, write everything down to the T, have my timer, and then I just got it perfected.
It is literally physics,
it is.
chemistry,
it is.
everything in one. Soy wax.
Yes.
How is that different from regular wax?
It's more eco-friendly. It burns slower. It doesn't give off that smell that, you know, you can smell something burning. It doesn't give that smell. It's seamless. And then you get the smell of the fragrance that's in there. So it blends well with the fragrance oil.
So you create the fragrances too?
Yes. Well, I mean, I use fragrance that are flowers based.
Okay.
To go ahead with the flowers. And I do different mixtures as well. So not just one scent. Persons do want 2 scents. So we do that blend as well. So
I want to say, Christy Lee, that I cannot remember ever seeing anything looking like this.
Yeah, it's actually unique and different.
So you're actually like in a niche by yourself, because if they didn't tell me, if I never look good, I would not know that I'm looking at candles.
Right.
This is incredible, and this takes a lot of skill
and time.
Yes,
and time. It does.
So tell me about the journey to learn to move from now the regular jar candles to this.
Okay, so for the regular jars, it was just not popping. You know, and I was thinking about it. Ladies love flowers, men too. So I was like, why not try to incorporate candles looking like a bouquet? So at first, I really started with the purse. I did actually a Mother's Day promotion with the purse, and it was awesome.
Can I pass that one for me?
Sure.
So this is a purse.
Yeah.
Guys.
Right, it's a purse bouquet.
There you go.
Yeah. And everybody loved it, but I decided maybe just not only put it in a box. So I went ahead and tried making it as a flowers bouquet, but with candles, and they're all scented. Yeah.
So tell me how, I mean, without giving me a trade secret, like how does this work? Do you create a mold for it?
It's a mold, yeah. It's a mold. Yeah, and it takes time to, you know, mold and dry. So I have to be very careful. If you demold too quick, they will break and all of that. So
can we open this one?
Sure. Yeah.
Because this is the one that you give around when now.
So I actually did this for this for Independence.
This is the end of my.
There we go.
Can I take it out?
You can.
Guys, look at this. Oh, Harris, look at this. These are all candles.
Yes.
So what? What fragrance is this?
Let me. Oh, this one was the lavender.
This is nice.
Yeah.
And it's not too strong.
Right, that's the idea of it.
Yes. So let me ask you now, when you light this, Christy Lee, it melt and lose the shape?
It does actually, sadly.
Okay.
But you can use it in a wax melt as well. So once the wick burns out, the candle is still there, so you can always place it in the wax melt and you still get the scent from it.
This is really like fantastic.
Thank you.
So what are the fragrances that you have the flowers?
So right. So we have white gardenia, we have jasmine, we have lavender, and we have plumeria. I try to stick with the floral scents, but we do have other options as well. I've made candles with coconut scents, with that blue one. Yeah, the blue one right there is actually fresh linen, so that's perfect for your bathroom, your laundry room. So yeah, I don't necessarily stick to floral. Anybody wants something custom?
Okay, so let's talk about that. So you have the scents that are your trademark scents, but if somebody comes to you and says, I would like vanilla,
yes,
you can do vanilla.
We can do that, yes.
Okay,
we do.
And how long does it take to custom make?
It takes a lot of time. Yeah, because once we have to wait for the wax to melt at the right temperature, can't go too below or high. Once that's done, we have to wait for the cooling temperature, and we have to wait for the mixing temperature with the scent as well.
Wow.
So it takes us a couple, 2 to 3 hours. And then once we do throw them in the mold, another 6 hours for it to be dry. Then I pull them out, another 5 days, 5 to 7 days for the candle to cure and the scents are blended in.
So if somebody wants a custom order, I'm going to do it like 2 months, 3 months?
Not necessarily so long. What I'll tell them, if I get a rush order now, I'll say, okay, I'll make it, but you have to wait 7 days before you can burn it.
Okay.
So at least advise them.
Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fantastic. For folks who are watching this morning who are interested in gifting someone this bouquet or gifting themselves any of these flowers, where do we find you?
So it's Quzil Creations on Instagram. Email as well, qzilcreations@gmail.com, and my phone number 321-1280.
Okay. Yeah. What Quzil mean?
It's actually a blend between my 2 sons' name.
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you for having me.
All the best with your business.
Thank you.
Founder and owner of Quzil Creations, Christy Lee Walsh. So innovative, these Jamaicans. After the break, Girl Talk soon come. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very, very nice.
Thank you.